a Star Spangled Celebration with Kimberbell. Your event project kit has everything you need to make 3 exclusive event projects. Like sweet iced tea, our patriotism is steeped in tradition. Chances are you're hosting the family picnic, so you'll definitely be stitching this in the hoop mug rug for the party. The patriotic pennant honors every soldier's story. Decorative stitches, fringed firecrackers, and tassel trim finish our creative salute to hometown heroes and the brave men and women who serve. Pack your party essentials in this all-American celebration tote. The embroidery design features 3 old-fashioned soda bottles made from vinyl and filled with applique blossoms of fabric and shiny mylar, plus a bright pinwheel and flag pig. It's a celebration of red, white, and blue with Kimberbell and you. Welcome to the party.